Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make smooth movement. So we can use the variables to make smooth movements. You can click here, make variables, and I will use only for this sprite. Like into X control, click OK, and then I will set again for Y control. Now we can go to events, and when the flag click, I will set the sprite position, go to motions, and it will be go to 0, 0 if you play like this. The next set for the variable set in here for X control and also for Y control. After it, go to control and use the forever. And for the movements, you can set change variable. First we set into X control and then Y control. Now you can use the operator. In here we use the minus here. So we can go to sensings, key space. Okay, we set into this X and also Y. And you can change into right arrow, left arrow, and the next for Y, up arrow and down arrow. The next we set for the speed. You can go to variable, use the set variable here. This is for the speed, and we can set for the X control and also Y control. So in here we use the X, move again here, and set for the X control, speed like 0, 88, and Y control, set speed 0, 88. The next you can set for the motions, change by X and then change by Y. Use the variables X control and Y control. Now if you play and then use the arrow, it will be moving smoothly. Okay, that's it for basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make smooth movement.